You know that we do it grande. You know that. This good energy got you all in your feelings.
Can't even drink Cristal on this one. I got my gotcha number 7 on right now. You gotta puff a J to this one. Can't roll a blunt up to this one, boy. So contagious, I can't take it. Help my baby, let's just make it. I see some ladies tonight, this shit be rolling with Jason. Jason. What's your name? I see some ladies tonight, this shit be rolling with Jason. Jason. Everybody's like, he don't like him, he don't like him, he don't wife him, he one night some. Now she don't like him, she never met him. Groupies try to take advantage of him, he won't let him, he don't need him, so he treats him like he treats him. Better them than me, she don't agree with him, she's mad at that, he's not having that. So those opposites attract like magnets. She sees more than a Benz wagon, the French
Go give me some help. Yeah. Can't you take me still? Yo, you don't think they gonna check this? She's scared. She's scared. Y'all don't think they gonna check this? Let me put it in my bag.
Underground garages, presidential suites on deposit, elevator up to the room, shower up and then we hit the club. Touchdown, gotta see what's up. Area code. She say she got a man, hit another one, it goes green. Must have changed foes on the team. Remember when you let me in between? That was 2017. All good, chubbs to look around. Find one to see my type. That my dog and he know what I like. He done found a lady in my life. Problem is I meet this girl tonight. Then I go and treat her too nice. Galleria credit card swipes. I don't even know if she a wife. But I do know one thing though. Women, they come, they go. Saturday through Sunday, Monday through Sunday, yo. Maybe I'll love you one day. Maybe we'll someday grow. Till then, I'll sit my drunk ass on that runway, on this one way. Survival. A lot of people gunning for the title. A lot of people trying to take us viral. I was trying to have a nice night. The waiter brought a check for the meal. She said, babe, I think that was a typo. Nah, girl, I got it last night. I can show you bigger things than that. It's gonna be 2 minutes till I'm back. Let me get your images that last. Amex had a limit in the past. I had plenty women in the past. I done plenty sinning in the past. You don't need to know, but you can ask. On your backstage pass, all access, cause you bad. You could go wherever with that ass. Shout to the club, to the club, your first glance at them.
Yes, girl.
Chain away, that's kinda like giving your fame away. What's wrong with you? I sit in a box where the owners do. Lost is a road that I've grown into. I love you to death, but I told you the truth. I can't just be with you, I'm only you. Yeah, I got one Virgil, got one in that day, the only two, man. How many times have I shown it, boo, man? How many nights I've been woke, swerving the potholes, not trying to fuck up the wheels on the road, okay? Funny how life goes, he thought he was sick, now we wiping his nose, okay? Soon as you give him your soul, you blow up and they say you're selling your soul, okay? They want life exposed, they wanna know about that life. Well, some of them was rest, okay?
They just mad because they know who we are.
Okay, we'll see what's about to happen next, okay, we'll see what's about to happen. Hey, we'll see what's about to happen. Hey, we'll see what's about to happen. I'm making a change today. The liquor been taking the pain away. I heard you was giving your chain away. That's kind of like giving your fame away. What's wrong with you? I said the boss man always do. Boss is a road that I've grown into. I love you to death, but I told you that. Just be with you, I'm only you. Yeah.
Y'all won't stop.
I give it a photo shoot. College, where they put their Mac down? Show me love. Show me some love. Show me some birthday love.
Tell her to relax.
Period.
I am relaxed. I just don't like to not know what we're doing.
You can't control everything. Relax. You can't control everything.
It's good to know what's happening.
Oh, we have to know. We have to know what's happening 7 days a week. 8 hours plus a day. Can we just not have to worry about?
Let me tell you something. I done got used to relaxing and letting go. And I'll pick it back up when I get there.
Period. But it's after I gotta let that shit go.
I'm not used to that type of shit. Okay, I just want to say, I'm not used to winging it like this. I feel like we're doing 8 hours of homelessness in DC. Okay.
Stop saying that.
I'm just saying.
A tear. I love it.
One time for the birthday chick. 2 times for the birthday
You know, these are the
birthday chick.
the what's your name pants.
So you see what I'm saying too? It's $20. So might as well.
Yes, girl. Get into it. I'm making a crab. It's a double egg with crab meat and a girl. Yeah.
Sit to the head and float. Already fed the poke. Niggas too scared to go.
Her being
here protected. You know what I'm saying?
You know, black motherfucker.
Pumpkin brains.
It ain't just one of them. I don't know.
So where to go?
Right here.
Let's see what they have.
Yoga, they got podcast.
Hips tick tock when I dance. On that demon time, she might start her OnlyFans. Big B and that B stand for bands. If you wanna see some real ass, baby, here's your chance. I say left cheek, right cheek, drop it low then swing. Texas up in this thing, put you up on this game. I be parking my frame, gang, 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 gang. If you don't jump to put jeans on, baby, you don't feel my pain. Look, please don't give me hype, write my name in ice. Can't argue with these lazy bitches, I just raise my price.